Okay, this is a room tour of room 722. It is a one-bedroom king executive suite at the Westin in Chattanooga. And so you come on in, and right immediately inside the room, there is this amazing bathroom. Got all the amenities that you could possibly need right here, and mirror and a toilet. And then across the way, you've got a closet. So you could stash suitcases and such in there. This bathroom does have a sliding glass door on it, but it's opaque so you cannot see through, so it still provides privacy. And you walk straight into this living area. This sofa is a pull-out couch, so if you're traveling with kiddos, like my daughter will sleep on that tonight. And then this is an adjoining room as well. So if you're traveling with another party, you could have this room adjoined to the next door room. There is a really beautiful view of downtown Chattanooga out the window, especially like this lawn right across the street. You can see the hotel, one of the restaurants down there with fire pit areas, really beautiful, and fountains. And this is just located so well near some of the really fun attractions in downtown Chattanooga. So that is all out your living room window. Good, comfy living area. And then there's this great wet bar over here, and coffee, all the coffee essentials, etc. So like any good hotel, they have you well stocked. And then you move into the bedroom. So this is a true like one bedroom suite. You can close this off, which is really nice. It's not a studio suite. And you've got a desk, mobile workstation here. If you've watched my videos before, you know I always highlight anytime they have these plugins built in. It's just so functional. You've got some spa essentials down there as well. Lens wipes, some fancy pillow spray, and great alarm clock. It's not the QB time that I love, but it's a really great one. Super comfy king bed, and a little corner sitting area over here. And even this chair has the outlets on it, so you know I love that. You've got a second window of this same great view that the living room had. So just a really awesome view of downtown Chattanooga. Got the television right there. Super comfy bed. Again, workstation. And then you do have another closet in here, which is great because this one has the bar, the hanging bar, and all the things that you need. That first closet really is just perfect for luggage storage because there's no bar or shelving or anything in it. So convenient to have to stash your suitcases, but this would be where you would keep your clothes. Then this bathroom is massive. So again, you've got another great mirror and vanity area with all the little amenities that you could possibly need. And then check out this shower, is huge. So nice. And love when they have all these shower head options. So you have the grab bar that you can use like for hair wash, rinse, and then this rain head shower head, and great amenities as well. Little seat you can use for shaving your legs. So just a really incredible shower. Great laid out space all the way around. Again, this door does have the non-see-through glass, so it's still pretty private, but always like to highlight that just in case somebody would really want a solid door. So beautiful room, room 722, executive suite, one bedroom, king bed at the Westin in downtown Chattanooga. And again, one final shot of the living room with the sofa bed and fantastic views. Also, a quick overview of the property itself. There's this gorgeous lobby with fire pit and a really well located bank of elevators in the middle. There's also a gorgeous Paloma tapas bar on the roof. There is a dress code for that, so know that. And then the pool area was really fantastic. They have these private cabanas. I believe you have to reserve, but there's plenty of lawn chair space, and the pool was just fantastic. We spent a lot of great time there. There's also this great fitness studio with plenty of free weights and machines, so you can get an excellent workout in while you are at the hotel. Thanks for watching this video, and as always, if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching my channel.